Compound interest is like magic, but it's real. It helps your money grow faster over time. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It gets bigger and bigger. Compound interest is similar. Your money earns interest. Then, that interest earns even more interest. This cycle repeats, making your money grow exponentially. It's like getting free money. Compound interest is a powerful tool for building wealth. It's especially effective over long periods. Let's break down how compound interest works. Compound interest is a powerful financial concept that can significantly boost your savings over time. Unlike simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal amount, compound interest is calculated on the principal amount plus any interest earned. This means your money can grow exponentially. Imagine you invest $1,000 in a savings account. This is your principal amount, the initial sum of money you start with. The account pays an annual interest rate of 5%. This rate determines how much interest you will earn on your principal amount each year. At the end of the first year, you earn $50 in interest. This is calculated by multiplying your principal amount by the interest rate. So, $1,000 times 5% equals $50. Now you have $1,050. This new amount becomes your principal for the next year. In the second year, you earn interest on $1,050, not just the original $1,000. This is where the power of compounding comes into play. This means you earn slightly more interest in the second year. Instead of earning $50, you earn $52.50. This process continues year after year. Each year, your interest is calculated on the new higher principal amount. Your money grows faster because you're earning interest on your interest. Over time, this can lead to substantial growth in your savings. This is the magic of compounding. By understanding and leveraging compound interest, you can make your money work harder for you, leading to greater financial security and wealth over the long term. Let's see how compound interest works in the real world. It's a concept that can seem abstract, but when you break it down with real-life examples, it becomes much clearer and more impactful. Imagine two friends, Sarah and John, both 25 years old. They have similar jobs, similar incomes, and similar financial goals. However, they make different decisions when it comes to investing for their future. Sarah decides to start early. She invests $200 every month in a retirement account that earns an average of 7% interest per year. She understands the importance of starting early and takes advantage of the power of compound interest. She does this consistently until she retires at 65. Over the years, her investments grow, and the interest she earns also earns interest, creating a snowball effect that significantly increases her savings. John, on the other hand, doesn't start investing until he's 45. He spends his younger years focusing on other financial priorities, and only realizes the importance of investing later in life. He invests the same amount as Sarah, $200 per month, and earns the same 7% interest. However, because he starts 20 years later, he misses out on 2 decades of compound growth. Even though John invests for 20 years, he ends up with significantly less money than Sarah at retirement. The difference is striking and highlights the critical role that time plays in growing your investments. This example shows the power of starting early. Just like planting a tree, the earlier you start, the more time it has to grow and flourish. The same principle applies to your investments. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. By taking advantage of compound interest, you can maximize your savings and secure a more comfortable financial future. So, don't wait. Start investing today and let time work in your favor. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested consistently over long periods can lead to significant wealth. Don't be discouraged if you haven't started investing yet. It's never too late to begin. The most important step is to start now. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. Remember, even small steps can lead to big results over time. Start small, be consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Section 5. Interest rates and compounding frequency. Two factors significantly influence the power of compound interest rates and compounding frequency. The interest rate determines how much your money grows each year. Higher interest rates lead to faster growth. Compounding frequency refers to how often the interest is calculated and added to your principal. The more frequently interest is compounded, the faster your money grows. For example, interest compounded daily will grow faster than interest compounded annually. Look for investment options with higher interest rates and more frequent compounding to maximize your returns. Section 6. Small investments, big returns. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. The key is to be consistent. Consider setting up an automatic investment plan. This way, a fixed amount is automatically deducted from your bank account and invested regularly. You won't even miss the money, and it's a powerful way to build wealth over time. Remember, every dollar you invest has the potential to grow exponentially thanks to compound interest. Start small, be consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Section 7. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial when it comes to harnessing the power of compound interest. Investing regularly, even small amounts, is more effective than making sporadic large investments. Think of it like building a house. You lay one brick at a time consistently until the house is complete. Investing is similar. Consistent regular contributions are the building blocks of long-term wealth. Stay disciplined with your investments. Don't be tempted to withdraw your money or stop investing when the market fluctuates. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Section 8. Debunking investing myths. Many people avoid investing because of common myths. One myth is that you need to be rich to invest. This is simply not true. As we've discussed, even small regular investments can grow significantly over time. Another myth is that investing is too risky. While all investments carry some degree of risk, diversification and a long-term approach can mitigate these risks. Don't let fear and misconceptions prevent you from building a secure financial future. Educate yourself about investing, seek professional advice if needed, and start your investing journey today. Section 9. Start your investing journey today. Investing can seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and tools, anyone can become a successful investor. It's all about taking that first step and committing to your financial future. Compound interest is a powerful tool for building wealth. It allows your money to grow exponentially over time, as the interest you earn starts to earn interest itself. This snowball effect can turn even modest investments into substantial sums. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Time is one of the most critical factors in investing. The earlier you begin, the more you can take advantage of the compounding effect. Even if you start with small amounts, consistency is key. Remember, even small, regular investments can lead to significant returns over time. It's not about how much you invest initially, but about making it a habit. Regular contributions, no matter how small, can accumulate and grow significantly over the years. Don't delay. Start your investing journey today. Procrastination can be the biggest enemy of financial growth. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is now. Take control of your financial future and make that first move. As Warren Buffett famously said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. This quote emphasizes the importance of long-term thinking and planning. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. Be that someone. Plant your financial seed today and watch your wealth grow. Just like a tree, your investments need time and care to flourish. Start with what you have, nurture your investments, and be patient. Start small, be consistent, and let the magic of compound interest work its wonders on your journey to financial freedom. Automate your savings, stay committed, and watch as your financial landscape transforms over time. Your journey to financial independence begins with a single step.